Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Anna Mira. Now I'm going to present my research with Dr. Yustiani Dikot and Dr. Jusron Iriawan. It's all about the prevalence and trigger factors of primary headache among medical students in Jenderal Ahmad Yani University, batch 2018, during online learning. We start from the definition. Headache is a pain or discomfort in all parts of the head caused by traction, displacement, inflammation, or distension of the pain-sensitive structures in the head or neck. A primary headache is when the headache occurs without evidence of underlying structural lesions or metabolic disorders. Headache is one of the most common complaints among medical students. Several epidemiological studies showed that stress and lack of sleep being the most trigger factors of primary headache among medical students. People with stress have low levels of norepinephrine and serotonin, where norepinephrine and serotonin have a role in pain mechanism. The relationship between lack of sleep and the incidence of headache generally related to the hypothalamus and melatonin and serotonin. During these online learning methods, make students more likely to use electronic media such as computer, laptop, or mobile phones. The use of electronic media for more than 3 hours a day continuously can cause computer vision syndrome or CVS, where one of the most common CVS complaints among computer users is headache. These are the previous research that showed the high prevalence of primary headache among medical students. The most common is tension type headache with the highest percentage caused by stress. So that is why I'm interested in conducting this study, since there is no research on the prevalence and triggering factors for primary headache has ever been conducted on medical students at Jenderal Ahmad Yani University. This research is cross-sectional study design based on questionnaire adapted to the Perdowsi 2018 headache diagnostic criteria. The assessment of the factors that influence headache was obtained from just 21 questionnaire, PSQI, and several parameters related to the use of electronic media, such as duration of computer usage, position of the monitor, and the presence of refractive errors. This research involved 100 medical students of Unjani, batch 2018. The independent variables are duration of computer usage, glasses and contact lens usage, monitor position, sleep quality, and depression, anxiety, stress scale. The primary data was analyzed using univariate analysis, and then bivariate analyze using chi-square test, and then multivariate analyze using binary logistic regression. And these are the result of univariate analysis. There are 23% student with migraine, 27% student with tension type headache, 2% student with cluster headache, 20% student with unspecified headache, and 28% student did not experience primary headache. And these are the bivariate analysis result. This result showed that there is a significant correlation between glasses and contact lens usage on electronic media users with the incidence of primary headache. Let's move to the discussion. One of the eye problems that can be addressed with glasses or contact lens is refractive errors. Myopia is the most prevalent refractive defect, especially among adolescents. People with myopia do not have the mechanism to focus the image from far away object on the retina clearly. When the item is kept close to the eye, the parasympathetic nervous system regulates an accommodation process that causes the ciliary muscles to contract, allowing the picture to be focused. People with refractive problems who are not appropriately corrected are more likely to experience eye strain on their eyes. A headache and pain behind the eyes are caused by continuous tightening of tiny muscles. The use of contact lens can increase the risk of CVS as the thickness of the tear film layer in the eyes of contact lens wearers change, making the eyes dry more quickly. This research is in accordance with a research in Udayana University, which found a relationship between glasses wearers who had refractive errors and the incidence of CVS. In 2021, Sihonming reported that there are 35.7% students in Sumatra Utara who experience a decrease in vision due to refractive errors during online lectures during the COVID-19 pandemic. It can be concluded that tension type headache is the most prevalent primary headache among medical students in Unjani batch 2018, and there is a significant correlation between refractory error on electronic media users with the incidence of primary headache. And of course, our research has a limitation. First, the primary headache was not diagnosed by a neurologist. And second, the question of questionnaire may not be specific enough to make a diagnosis of primary headache. This research was only conducted using a questionnaire instrument distributed via Google Form. This research respondent may not be honest in answering the question. And there are other factors that not studied that can trigger headache, such as cigarette smoke, skipping meals, weather change, and etc. That's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. I hope this research can be useful for medical science. Thank you.